students. I'd like to show you something you can do in Word or any word processing program that you're writing in. So, as you know, word processors now all have spell check, but sometimes it can't know if something is spelled differently than it's supposed to be because both versions are real words. So, one really important thing when you're writing about artworks is to spell the names of the artworks right. That really helps to build your credibility as an expert on the work of art that you're writing about. So, for example, you might see here two different spellings of the movie Silver Linings Playbook, which is one of the works you could write about for this class. Word will not know which one is right because these could both be real words. They're not going to flag spell check. So you need to make sure that they're all spelled the same way. One thing you might notice is that all the words in black are fake. These are actually words in Latin. This text is called lorem ipsum. It's a famous thing that people do when they want to use sample text. They just use kind of nonsense Latin. They've done that for hundreds of years. You can look online and find lorem ipsum generators, and it will sort of create some nonsense Latin for you. So I did that. And then I put what I want you to look at into red. So if you go onto IMDb, like I've recommended for movies, you will find that this is the right spelling. And so you would like to make everywhere that this appears spelled like this. So how can you do that? You could go through one at a time, but in a real Word document, it won't be read like this. So it won't be so easy to spot. So there is a great trick that you can use, which is called a find and replace. So you can click up here at the top, and you see if you hover on replace, it'll actually show you the shortcut, which is Control plus H. So if you hold down the Control key and press H, that'll also get you to it. So I'm going to do that. And you see here, it shows me something that it asks me what I want to find and what I want to replace it with. So if I copy this and I put it right here, and then if I copy this and I put it right here, it's going to find everywhere that it sees this, it's going to replace it with this. Now I can do it one at a time, or I can do it all at once. And I know this is what I want to do, so I'm going to hit replace all. So let's see what it does. It says all done. We made 3 replacements, and you can see that every place where it used to say the old way, now it says the new way. So that's a really useful feature if you're ever trying to fix up a piece of writing, to use what we call find and replace. And it's not only Word that will have that, Google Docs or any word processing program for writing will have that feature. So that's, I hope, a useful tip for you if you weren't already familiar with it.